Hi. Hello everyone, I'm Brian, a renewable energy consultant and a certified designer at Kembla. Over the past 12 months, I have been assisting more than 200 households in ACT in designing battery storage systems, helping them transition to self-sufficient clean energy solutions more sufficiently. Sure. The primary function of a home battery is to storage excess electricity generated by a solar system during the day, make it available for use when the sun is not shining. Additionally, home batteries can provide a limited backup power supply during blackouts. Both options can work well. However, if your home is close to sea in a rainy and humid area or near a desert region, I strongly recommend installing the battery indoors rather than outdoors. If these factors are not a concern, then outdoor installation can be considered. As long as the installation location complies with the guidelines, we mainly consider three factors: the manufacturer's warranty requirements, CEC regulations, and the battery IP rating. IP rating stands for ingress protection. It measures the level of protection against the dust and moisture. The first digit of it indicates protection against the solid particles, ranging from 0 to 6. The second digit representing the protection against liquids, ranging from 0 to 8, with the higher numbers providing the better resistance. IP55 is a pretty good rating, providing a good balance of dust and water resistance for most environments. Yes, when you decide to install a battery indoors, there are several areas when the installation is not okay. In general, batteries should not be installed at habitat rooms, such as bedrooms, living rooms, or any space where people spend a lot of time. This is because, as engineers and designers, we must always plan for the worst-case scenario. Batteries store a lot of energy, and in the rare event of fire or smoke, we want to ensure your safety. Therefore, if a battery installed indoors, we place it in a safer, non-habitable area such as garage, bathrooms, or laundry rooms to protect your safety and your property. It is crucial to follow safety regulations and the manufacturer's guidelines. I would strongly recommend installing the battery in the garage. It is typically away from the living areas, offering more space, and is often closer to your meter box, making it a more convenient and a safer option. When installing the battery outdoors, we need to consider the wall materials. In Australia, walls are typically made of weatherboard or brick. If your home has weatherboard walls, we need to install a layer of concrete fire-resistant board between the battery and the wall. This is accounted for the worst-case scenario. If the battery catches fire, we want to prevent the fire from spreading to the building itself. If your home has a brick wall, this additional layer is not necessary, as bricks are already fire-resistant. Apparently, consult with experts like us